Hi friends, your Captain B Benoflin Sam is here. So today I'm gonna teach allied angles for class 11 JEE mathematics. So last time I have taught measurement of angles on trigonometry. This one we're going to see allied angles on trigonometry. So it is very interesting. You have to solve like a basic problems like sine 120 degree, cos 700 degree, how to find the values, that you're going to see it. Okay, so before that make sure you like, subscribe and share it. Okay, let's get started. So one important part I'm going to tell. You don't know, I don't know, but I'll teach you. If it goes like this means it is positive. If it goes like this means it is negative. See what you understand in here. What means this is anti-clockwise means it is positive. For clockwise means it is negative. That's why it is set like this only. Okay. So this is it. So that's why it was formalized like this. Okay. Okay, so we'll just leave it here itself. Okay, in next file I'll rub this one. So I'll tell the sign conversions. Sign conversions. Okay, so this one you take as 0 degree or 360 degree. That do this. So 90 degree bracket pi by 2. Pi 270 degree, it's 3 pi by 2. See, I wrote like the word graph method. See, I'm going to write like this. Okay. All are positive. Any angles or every angles are positive. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. Tan and cot are positive. Cos and sec are positive. What you're seeing is this one is 0 inside, it is above 0 or above 360 degree and below 90 degree. That is this one. Okay, the second quadrant, it was above 90 degree and it is below 180 degree. So this is the second quadrant, as sine theta and cosec theta is positive. In third quadrant, this one is above 180 degree and below 270 degree. That's why it is third one. As tan theta and cot theta are positive. So here, this is a fourth. The last but not least, this one is above 270 degree and below 360 degree or 0 degree. So this only. This is known as cos, sec or positive. So written as all students take coffee. Okay. In that time I have studied like this only. All sine, tan, cos. And these are the opposite only. Cosec, cot and sec. Well, a lot of people study this also. But in this year only I studied this. That one thing they have taught. All silver tea cup. All silver tea cup. So this is his all sine, tan and cos. So even though something is like I thought that is correct or this means it's same only. This is ASTC or sine, tan and cos. This one is first, second, third, fourth. Okay, it's very easy to know. So we'll rub this one, especially this also. Yeah. Most amazing. Now the most amazing part is going to see is the conversions that you're going to do in the questions. What means if it is here 100 degree or 200 degree, then it will be sine theta cos theta and tan theta and cot theta changes and cosec theta and sec theta are changes, okay, together. So this is near 90 degree or 270 degree. Okay, this one near 180 degree or 360 degree means then you have to take this. This one is no change. Any angle means no change only. So this is the rule you're going to see. Okay. But in schools, they will teach this one. They'll teach like this only. So yeah, sine 90 degree plus theta is equal to yes, sine theta. Sorry, cos theta. But I do one technique to do it without formulas. Okay, let's straight to it. One question is going to do it's sine 120 degree tan 240 degree and 3 is cos 7 pi by 2. Let us see these questions. Okay. Okay, let's see this question. Sine 120 degree. We're doing without formula, okay? Sine 120 degree. We can take as sine 90 plus 30. Okay. So if you take means then it's 90, right? In 90, I told you near 90 or 270 degree, it changes. So here it is 90 degree here. So it will come like cos will come. This will cos will come. So cos that degree, which we can tell as root 3 by 2. This is how you do it, okay? So the next question is tan 390 degree. What means? Yes. This here tan we can take as 360 degree plus 30 degree. Okay, we take this. So take means then here 360 is near 360 will be no changes. So we take as tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, and last but not least, how can we solve this one? Well, we can solve it. We'll see. Cos 7 pi by 2 is equal to cos here and means it will come this out. Yeah, 1 by 2 into pi. Okay, see how I do it means, see, we can take as 3 pi plus pi by 2. Pi by 2, right? Yeah, pi by 2 only. So here 3 pi. 3 pi means if there is no like denominator means then it will be no changes only. Okay, so cos pi by 2 which is equal to 0. That's how the answers will do. And I do for fact. Okay, fact, if there is n pi form, then it has no changes. But if it has n pi by 2 format, then it changes. This is a super technique. I'm doing this one. Okay, fact. So okay, so use this and think smartly for adding like these. Okay, so okay. And I'm going to give homework questions. You have to complete and have to send to me. Okay, homework. Number 1 is, wait a minute. Okay. Got 570 degree. Number 2, tan 480 degree. Number 3, cos 31 pi by 4 is what? Fourth one, tan 13 pi by 6 is what? Fifth one, last but not least, cosec 390 degree is what? So these are the homework. You have to do it, okay? You have to do it. See, after finishing the homework or having doubts, then message me. As a phone number is 918098212320. Okay, but no calls. Okay, only message. Okay, what you do means, if you're dialing me, like you're going to message me, means you have to write I am your member of your channel and your name also. So then I will never forget that is you. Okay, so you have to do the homework, and that's all for this lecture. So make sure you like, subscribe and share. Okay, thank you, have a great day.